Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video we will learn about dataset and many more topics we will cover related to the dataset in this video. Okay, I hope this video is beneficial for you people. Okay, and friend, this is humble request to you people that don't forget to like, share and comment this channel. Okay, so let's get start the video. Right now, come to the point that first question is, what is data? A data set is a collection of data in which data is arranged in some order. As I already told you in a previous video that data set is a collection of data that with the help of these data we can train the model, but these data are in some order. Okay, right? A data set can contain any data from a series of an array to a database table. Right? Means that your data is present in your table form. Right? Your data is look like this. This is your variable, and these things your data of the data set. Okay? Now let's see. A tabular data set can be understood as a database table or a matrix where each column corresponds to a particular variable and each row corresponds to the field of the data set. Means that each column, these are the column, represents to the variable of the data set, and each row is corresponds to the data of the data set. Fine. Now let's the point 2, types of a data set. This is the most important. Types of a data set. First one is numerical data set, categorical data set and ordinal data set. Now let's see numerical data set such as house prices, temperature and etc. If suppose you are try to finding the price of a house or temperature of any weather, then you will use numerical data. Okay, you will get a numerical data. And if you want to playing a game in this way, whether that is yes or no, right, in this type of data is considered as a categorical data. Now ordinal data, these data are similar to the categorical data but can be measured on the basis of comparison. Right, it is also similar to the categorical data, but here the problem is comparison. Okay, you should to compare one data with the other data, then you will get a result. Okay, now next point is need of data set. To work with machine learning project, we need a huge amount of data, because without the data one cannot train the model. Yes, this is the most important. You should know this point. Without the data you cannot able to train the model. Okay, you need huge amount of data to train the model to get a high efficient output. Okay, now let's see. In building ML application, data set are divided into two parts, right? That is training data set and test data set. Now I am going to show you in a pictorial form to get easy understand. Okay, now let's see this. This is original data set, right? And original data set divided into two parts, that is training data set and test data set. And training data set is further divided into two parts, that is training data set and validation set. And with the help of training set we will try to learn the model with the help of the machine learning algorithm, and with the help of these two sets we will get the output. Okay, fine. Now move further. Here you will get the predictive model with the help of these three set. Okay, now let's see popular source of machine learning. Right, I will provide you the source where you will download the data set easily. Okay, now first one is Kaggle data set. When you will enter into the Kaggle by login your password or email, then you will get this type of interface. Okay, with the help of this interface you can easily download your data set. Now this is the new data set table. When you will click into this, you find out your data set by, or if you want to read out more about data set, then you will click documentation. Okay, now here is the filter with the help of filter you can easily find your data set in a minimum point of time. Okay, now Kaggle provides a high quality data set in different format that we can easily find and download, right? I think this is clear to all of you. Now next is UCI machine learning repository, the other source of data set. When you will enter into this UCI machine learning repository, you will get this kind of interface. Okay, in this you will find a data set related to classification, regression, clustering and other categorical data, numerical data and mixed, right? Many more type of data you will get from here. Okay, now let's see. UCI machine learning repository is one of the great source of machine learning repository data set. Okay, now let's see the third one is data set through AWS. Yes, you can also download your data set with the help of AWS, right? This is the type of interface and you can search here your required data sets. Okay, you can analyze and build various services using shared data through AWS sources. Now fourth one is Google data set search engine, right? With the help of a Google data set search engine you can easily find your data set. Okay, I think you are most familiar about this Google data set. This is the link through which you can go easily, right? Now next is Microsoft data set. With the help of the Microsoft we can also download your data set. Okay, search your data set here. When you will log in into the Microsoft you will get this type of interface. Okay, now using these sources we can download the data set to use on the current device, or we can directly use into the cloud infrastructure. You can directly use into the cloud infrastructure also. Now next is awesome public dataset collection, right? This is the other source of dataset. Okay, now when you will log in into this you will get this type of interface. Okay, now let's see what type of content you will get here. This is the agriculture, biological field, climate, weather, complex network, computer network and many more kind of data set you will get from here. Okay, now let's see. Awesome public dataset collection provides high quality dataset that are arranged in a well organized manner within a list according to the topics such as agriculture, biological, complex and many more dataset you can find from here. Okay, now this is the link through which you can go easily. Okay, now next seventh is government dataset. There are different type of sources to get a government related data. Various countries publish government data for a public use collected by them for different department. Okay, you can select any of the department which you require to solve the problem. Below are the some kind of a government data set. Let's see what kind of Indian government data set you can find about the Indian government data set, US government data set, Northern Ireland public sector data set, European Union open data portal, right? Now next is computer vision data set, right? In this, when you will log in into this you will get this type of interface, and in this category we will find about the data set like video classification, image classification, image segmentation, and you will get this link to go into the computer vision sources. Okay, now next is Scikit learn dataset, right? This is the most important, but you will not get all kind of data set from here. Okay, right? This is the library is sklearn.dataset.loadbooston. Loadbooston means you will get a Booston kind of a data set. You can also download Iris from this Scikit-learn data set. Okay, Sample total 506. In 506 there are total sample, that is 506, dimensionality 13, feature real and positive, target that is 5 and -50. You will get this information when you write this kind of source, okay, source code. Now scikit-learn is a great source of machine learning enthusiasts. This source provides both toy and real world dataset. This dataset can be obtained from a sklearn.datasets package using general dataset. But always remember that you will not get a number of dataset from here. Okay, here you will get a limited number of dataset, right? If you will not get your dataset from here, then you can go through the above sources. Okay, now guys, thank you and see you in next video. Jai Hind. Guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, bye.